What's up, y'all? I'm back here with this beautiful CZ Shadow 2 Carry. This is a customer's gun. He brought it in. He wanted the Cajun Gun Works short reset trigger kit installed, which included changing the trigger, changing the hammer, firing pin spring, the firing pin block spring as well. After doing all of that, of course, I have to test fire it. I really like this gun. This is probably one that I will be adding to my collection. I like the size of it. I like the weight of it. Love the way it feels. The original trigger felt fine to me, but again, this is a customer's gun, so you know, make your gun how you want it to be. One thing I did see when it comes to installing the Cajun Gun Works short trigger reset kit, the disconnector that they have, because that also did get replaced, the disconnector. Say it's a little bit too big, a little bit of material may have to be taken off, which will cause the trigger to not reset in single action. You see this? I will end up having to go back inside of this gun. Luckily, I know everything I'm doing now. This was my first time ever working on a CZ. And it doesn't do it every time, but I can't have it doing it anytime at all. This is a gun that a customer plans to carry. The trigger has to work every time. Back with this CZ Shadow 2 Carry model. I had to do some fitting with the disconnector. Also having to adjust the screws, pre-travel and over-travel. Like promise track, because with this kit, it came with an extended firing pin for the reduced power springs. What? A little 5 more to see how it acts. I think everything is working as it should. All right. Until next time, y'all. Mega Guns, think Mega TV, think greater than and above all, be responsible. Bang, 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 bang.